for their placing games. So, game gets underway. Playing from the left of your screen is Sweden, and they're in yellow buoyancy aids, and playing from the right of your screen in red buoyancy aids is Poland. That's a fantastic first shot there, and that was number 6 to not. So Poland on the board. It is a beautiful morning this morning here, as Sweden take their first attack. Sweden is trying to infiltrate the Poland defence here, looking for spaces, working the ball in, pressure coming at them from the Polish team all the time, but the shot goes away, and that's Malmbo for Sweden, levelling the scores. So 2 goals in 2 minutes. Polish response here. Possibly taking that right into the centre. No block down this time. Sweden locking down and picking it up. Illegal tackle there from Poland on the Swedish player. And a shot goes up, but out for a corner. Yotadol. Ball back into play. We have 6 teams in each of the mid-round groups. And a great shot there. No goal though. Foul on the keeper, so that won't count. So, Poland once again. Long shot. Saved there. So this mid-round group determining where you go for your placing games. Only the top 2 going through to the semi-finals. That's another shot from Poland, but once again saved. Polo with that shot. Penalty. So that is a green card for Sweden and a penalty for Poland. And that comes off the bottom bar for a goal line throw, not to be this time. Polo with that shot. Poland putting pressure on Sweden now. While they're down to 4 players, they've got playing man for man. Sweden still with the ball, illegal tackle. Poland man for man marking and a goalkeeper with their spare player. Sweden working well to find the spaces. Get the next pass away. They are back, right back in their own half. Only 10 seconds left on the shot clock. So they need to be looking to get that ball away. Ball goes up, but down for the keeper there. Easy just to bring it down. So Sweden weathered that well. Back to 5 players. And Poland really looking for that shot, but that wasn't really on. Too many defenders in the way there. Out for a corner. Timeout, says the referee. All teams in this group are currently playing their second games of the group right now. The long ball out. Into the centre, and fantastic shot. And that's Donat with the goal for Poland. Poland once again taking the lead, 2-1. Sweden looking for the response early. Oh, foul. Poland on the attack, all players down. Oh, that was Baranski, but once again saved. And Poland just taking their time. Foul, keep the foul, so once again Sweden looking for that. Oh, and a long shot. Oh, not to be. And that's half time. Worth a try as you go into the half-time whistle to get that last shot away. So we're looking at Poland versus Sweden. Half-time score, Poland 2, Sweden 1. Polish team there having their half-time talk. Just do a run through of their team. We have number 1, Bulara, number 2, Bulara, number 3, Medalski, number 4, Roszak, number 6, Donat, number 7, Timar, number 8, Baranski, number 9, Pilarz, number 10, Jawalski. And for Sweden, Swedish team up far end of the pitch now, and we'll just have a look at them. We have number 1, Lindström, number 2, Malmborg, number 3, Lindberg, number 4, Jotterdal, number 7, Norbo, and number 8, Arlansen, number 10, Patrone. So, Sweden playing from the right hand side of your screen in blue boats, blue helmets and yellow buoyancy aids. Poland with white boats, red buoyancy aids and black helmets. Referee Zoe Anthony just lining the teams back up. The other teams in this group are Germany, excuse me, Denmark, Portugal and Chinese Taipei. All those teams playing on other pitches currently, so we'll be able to catch up with the results after these games. And we go for the second sprint. Poland once again with that. Long ball back from Poland. Teams have played one game each in this round, and currently in this group Poland, Germany and Denmark are on a win. The other three teams yet to win a game. Oh, shot there from Rozak, but out for a corner once again. Long ball over. Swedish defence just trying to keep those Polish boats out as far away from the goal as possible. No, out again. Into the centre, he's got that ball in and he scores. And I think that was Donat again. Yep, Donat. So Sweden attack. Great shot there. Shokovic. Taking the corner. Sweden, 2 goals down at the moment. They're looking to close that gap. And that's one in. And that's Lindstrom for Sweden, taking the score to Poland 3, Sweden 2. Referee Anthony just calling a timeout there. And play gets back underway. And from the wing, not into the centre. Rozak back out. Rozak and Pilas working the Sweden defence, but Sweden ball now, so Poland need to get back to defend. Sweden. And that's looking like a card. Number 3. Green card for Poland. Midalski off there. Sweden taking the opportunity to make a substitution. Oh, shot, but deflected out again. Patron, it was a bit low, but came off a Polish player, so clock reset. Time out there. Referee just having a word with the table. Players still battling for position down there while the referee talks to the table. Referee just talking to, I think it's the captain of the Polish team. Okay, I think there was a problem there with the card being linked to the wrong team, so got the game underway again. And long ball out. All picked up. So Sweden looking to score against this four-man Poland team before the card runs out, but picked up now by Poland. So Sweden is putting a bit of pressure on. And the card's gone now, so Poland back up to 5. Sweden dropping back into their defence. Lovely ball into the centre there. Yes, he can. And that was Donat again, so that's his hat-trick for the morning. Great start for him. Direct shot. Another green card there. Number 2. From Poland. So, Poland back down to 4 players. And a goal for Sweden. Jotterdal taking advantage of the 4-man Poland team. But now back to 5. So, scores stand. Poland 4, Sweden 3. Just under 3 minutes left to play. Still could be anybody's game. Going straight in down that side, what can he do? Ball goes back out, nothing on there. Bulara with the shot, brought down onto the Swedish deck. Sweden looking to get away here. What can they do? Jotterdal. And straight into the keeper, so no goal there. Came under a lot of pressure from the Polish players and unable to get the ball away before crashing into the keeper. So, long ball up. Sweden now, man-for-man marking. Need to get the ball back. So, change of tactics here. Pressure on the Polish team from Sweden. Need to work for each other. Find the spaces. Once again, long ball, but... Ooh. Holding foul. Still Poland with the ball. Last 30 seconds of the game. Poland just hanging on here. If they have the ball, Sweden can't score. Timeout. 11 seconds left on the clock. So, Poland just need to weather this. 10 more seconds. And it's foul, the clock's still running. And that will be time. So, final score, Poland 4, Sweden 3. So that gets our games underway on pitch 1 on day 4 of the Canoe Polo World Championships.